Chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots and virtual assistants are intelligent agents that can interact with users in natural language. They are used in various applications, such as customer service, personal assistance, and sales support. Named entity recognition. Named entity recognition, NER, involves the identification and classification of named entities and text into predefined categories, such as person, organization, location, and date. It is used in various applications, such as information extraction, document classification, and question answering. Text summarization. Text summarization involves the extraction of key information from text data and presenting it in a condensed form. It is used in various applications, such as news article summarization, document summarization, and email summarization. Text classification. Text classification involves the categorization of text into predefined categories or classes. It is used in various applications, such as sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and spam filtering. Computer vision is a subfield of artificial intelligence that teaches machines to interpret and understand visual data from the world around us. It has been an active area of research for many years and has made significant progress in recent years. Computer vision has a wide range of applications, from self-driving cars to facial recognition and medical image analysis.